Okay guys, I'm back with another unboxing of some perishable food that I have. So we're going to get that open and then I'm going to cook it and we're going to try it. So let's just go ahead, open it up. There we go, perishable. Alrighty. This is from a company called Blackbird. And they sent me Blackbird Foods. Okay, so this is their high protein, all natural seitan. It's a little box of seitan. And this must be like some of the meat, some of the sausage or something. Everything here is vegan. So when I say that, this is all plant meat. So we'll let that thaw at some point and eat that. And here we have, it looks like the box ripped a little, but hand-tossed Margarita pizza. Margarita is my favorite. I love Margarita. We got a couple more. We have the Supreme pizza. Supremes. All right, and looks like last but not least, the barbecue chicken, BBQ chicken pizza. So these all look super good. I don't see any mushrooms on these, so I'm in luck. So they're non-GMO, they're all plant-based, cholesterol-free, kosher. So heating instructions, preheat to 500, middle rack, unwrap 8 to 10 minutes. We already got it preheated. I'm looking forward to this. I think we're gonna make the margarita since it's already open. The box is already busted open, but it looks like the pizza's still all good, so that is what we're gonna do. We're gonna have some pizza tonight. It's been a while since I had some pizza, so I'm looking forward to this. Open it. All right, so let's go ahead. This crust looks really nice. It looks like this is tomato sauce, cheese, basil, and it looks like also some slivers of garlic. So put that in. Oh, made with Violife cheese. Blackbirdfoods.com is where you can find these guys on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Also, they're giving me a coupon code to give to you. Zombie10 will save you 10% if you order one of their pizzas or I guess any of their product. It's basically just saying like, hey, Vegan Zombie sent me here. Let's let that cook. I'll see you guys in 8 minutes. And here it is. Crust came out nice. Let's cut it. I want to cut it. See how many pieces I want to cut it in. You can smell the garlic. All right, there it is. I don't want it to slide right off here, but the crust is really nice. I guess this is no different. So here we go. We're gonna try it out. It's garlicky. I've never had a garlic margarita pizza, but I like it. And it tastes super good. That's a good margarita pizza. The crust is nice and crunchy on the outside and nice and fluffy on the inside. This is a super good pizza. I can only imagine what the Supreme and barbecue chicken will taste like. Thumbnail. Well, another video down. We got more of these to do. I got more product to show you guys. Again, that coupon code is Zombie10 for 10% off. I will link them below. You guys can go check them out. Consider subscribing if you're not already. I have a ton of videos over the years. We got recipe videos, shopping videos, vegan lifestyle videos, all kinds of different videos. So I hope you guys like this. Stay safe. Watch out for zombies. I'll see you guys next time.